So hi all mga Mars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, this is another camera review na naman sa isang smartphone or Android phone. Though medyo matagal na since in-upload ko yung unboxing video natin. So I decided na gawa na to ng ating camera review since medyo natatambakan na tayo ng works and mga units right now. Pero don't worry, I'll try my best to update everything, especially sa mga camera review, full review. Going back, so we have the itel Power P70 which we purchase of course online. If you want to purchase this unit, just click the yellow basket here somewhere sa video natin, sa bottom part ng video natin. So nabili namin to online worth 3,000 plus or 3,500 something. I forgot the specific amount. Pero sa Shopee, originally parang nasa 4,300 plus na lang siya nakita namin. Pero if you're going to use the voucher somewhere here sa video natin or yung product natin somewhere sa video natin, ayan, mas mura nyo na lang mapurchase si itel Power 70. For I proceed sharing you guys my thoughts, my feedback, and some samples using this itel Power P70 or itel Power 70, ayan. Let me go ahead and share you guys first the quick specification of this Android phone. So this itel Power 70 was released way back on March 2025. And pagdating sa kanyang size, meron tong 6.67 inches na merong IPS LCD na merong 120Hz refresh rate. Sa IP feature, this is IP54 meaning dust protected and water resistant si ating itel Power 70. Pagdating naman sa kanyang chipset, meron tayong MediaTek Helio G50 Ultimate na merong Android 14, itel OS 14. Sa atin naman camera resolution mga Mars, meron tong single main camera na 13 megapixel and meron tong selfie camera na 8 megapixel. Both video recording is cover ito ng 1080p with 30 fps. Pagdating naman sa battery capacity mga Mars, ito yung isa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa Android phone na to dahil meron 6,000 mAh battery capacity na merong 18 watts charging. Sa pagkakatanda ko mga Mars, nung in-unbox natin tong Android phone na to, meron na tong included na charging case. Yung parang di siyang power bank. Pero medyo mabigat siya if gagamitin mo siya. Recording of itel Power 70 currently using the main camera as you can see. Ayan. Medyo taas natin ng very light. Ayan. Currently using this, you can zoom in the video up until 4. Okay. Recording of itel Power 70 currently using the main, the selfie camera as you can see. Ayan natin set up. Okay. Of course, you cannot zoom in the video since you can zoom in the video and up until 2 times zoom in. Okay. So, yun lang mga sis Mars, yung ating quick specification with this Android phone sa ating Itel Power 70. Again, if you still want to consider purchasing this Android phone, just click somewhere sa video natin, magpa-pop up yung basket dyan, and then click that basket. And mas mura nyo na siyang ma-purchase if you're going to purchase dito sa ating video. And anyways, pagdating sa kanyang camera, if I'm going to rate the quality and based sa mga nakuha kong videos and also pictures, ayan, siguro i-rate ko to from 1 out of 10, siguro 6/10. 6 mga sis Mars kasi pagdating sa outdoor, okay naman si camera niya. Pagdating sa mga pictures, sharp naman siya, vibrant, and also bold naman yung mga nakuha nating qualities ng mga images and also ng mga images. Pero pagdating talaga sa video recording, ayan, dyan na tayo nagkakatalo kasi hindi siya talaga, yung pagkaka-stabilize niya hindi. And pag video recording siya sa indoor, ayan, medyo makikita niyo na may noise and medyo madilim talaga. And hindi ganun ka-colorful at hindi ganun kabuhay na buhay yung video recording natin. Pero, magagamit niyo siya pag maliwanag yung place na pagka-capturean nyo ng videos. And so, yun lang. Nasa video sample naman natin and also camera sample naman natin. Makikita nyo doon yung mga samples and kayo na mismo magsasabi kung okay ba yung camera niya, okay ba yung camera niya and also yung video recording niya. So, that's it. Once again, my name is Maring Ana. Again, I'm not a pro when it comes to reviewing ng mga tech. I'm just sharing you guys my thoughts, my feedback, and also my experience na din with this Android phone. So, don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, A.Stories. See you ulit sa ating next na vlog. Bye, yours.